So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. Simply you have to click on Start Lab. And first of all, come to task number 1. And from here, just right click and open incognito window. Now here, most people are saying that Google Workspace is opening over here. So you have to simply click on Start Scripting. And here you have to use the student email ID. Most of you are using your personal email ID. That's why you are facing the issue. And just click on I understand. Now here the problem is that most of you are doing one mistake, that in the previous solution I directly first of all logged into the console and then I opened the app scripts. So it did not ask for the sign up process in the app script, means the Google Workspace page was not open. But here I have showed you alternated method how to complete the lab. Now what you need to do, you have to simply click on this chat app, and after that all things are correct, you have to just rename it to friendly bot. Just rename it. Wait a second. Remove this extra comma and just rename it. Now it is done. Now simply check the score. Now time for task number 2. For that, just open the console incognito window. Here click on I agree and then agree and continue. And just remove this unwanted pop-up. From here, first of all, let me change the appearance. Now from here, just come over here to the API and services and click on auth consent screen. Now here, just remove it. Click on get started. Now for the name, just copy the name carefully. Add the support email over here. Next, internal. Next, and for the email, just copy the user email from the lab instruction and simply click on create. Continue and create. And simply come to the lab instruction and check the score. And if you want this check my progress bar, you can check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. Now just try to check the score once it is successfully created. So you can see we got the score, and this is a very easiest lab. There is not a single issue on this lab. The way of completing the lab is different because we know how to work in the cloud. That's why. So that's all for the video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you're interested in other challenges, you can check the video channel. All the things are live.